June 2019, Dana and I set out on a trip to the Point Reyes National Seashore. We stayed at the Hostel International Point Reyes Hostel for a few days, which allowed us to knock out a good number of day hikes in the Point Reyes area. On this particular day, we had just landed, got settled, had a quick dinner, and we still wanted to get a hike in with the remaining daylight we still had left. And so we took a quick drive out to Abbotts Lagoon. Abbotts Lagoon is huge, covering more than 200 acres and joined by a spillway to 2 freshwater ponds.
So this is our third hike in the 101 best hikes in the Bay Area. So yeah, we just ate dinner. And now we're just taking, this is more of a walk. It's not really a hike, it's more of a walk out to a lagoon. It's only like 1 mile to the lagoon. So yeah, this is our first time to Point Reyes, which is crazy because we grew up in the Bay Area, and anybody that's grown up in the Bay Area who hikes has been all over Point Reyes.
The first half mile is pretty level, hard-packed, running along a wide trail. You'll see a lot of coastal scrub and open grasslands, and also wildflowers if it's springtime. About a mile in, you'll arrive to this small footbridge separating the 2 parts of the lagoon and a spur trail that leads up to the hillside on the left. This gives you a good view of the lagoon and sort of surrounding areas, so definitely worth the extra bit if you've got the time, but we just ended up cruising along the lagoon.
It almost feels like, there's like comfy blankets you get on it.
A few times a year, when harsh winter storms break through its sandbar, seawater will rush in, creating a mixture of saltwater and freshwater, making it a haven for many species of birds, mammals, and plants. The trail itself isn't long, but it leads to the Great Beach, aka 10 Mile Beach, or Point Reyes Beach, where you can extend your hike for miles along the sand. Well, that about wraps up Abbotts Lagoon Loop, or it's not a loop, it's out and back.
Out back.
And a lot of fun.
It was great, it was super beautiful. Lots of cool vegetation.
Yeah, we had river otters dragging single bodies.
Ooh, we saw a vulture eating a bird corpse.
I think another vulture, maybe? It was a big corpse.
And some rabbits and a doe.
Lots.
A deer. A female deer.
Yeah, just a nice after dinner, evening hike. Still just a great walk.
Yay.
Chalk up another one.
Woo woo.
101 Bay Area hikes.
Bye.
Land ho!